Small things we do on a regular day may affect and ruin our smartphones little by little. This may lead your mobile to burst and harm you too. I'm going to show you how to protect your mobile. Before going to the video, if you had not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Number 1. Leaving it on the window or table to overheat. Yes, even sunlight through a window can make your phone overheat. While your device won't change visibly, overheating hits hard on the phone's battery. It can even damage the system's chip and leads to burst. Number 2. Duplicate chargers and headphones. It has been reported that due to a difference in the electrical power and the cheap charger, a device can sometimes catch fire and burst out. But not enough people know that when you use duplicate headphones, it can damage the phone slot forever. This is because of the slight differences in the sizing of the jack and plug. Number 3. Replacing the original battery with the cheap. The phone battery is the heart of the phone. If needed, try to replace your battery with original product in authorized service center. If it's not the original part of the hardware, the lifespan of your phone will be shortened significantly. Number 4. Trying weird DIYs from weird sources. At least once, we all have believed we could do something after watching a video about it on YouTube. Crazily, I am more interested in it. However, unreliable sources provide us life hacks that are not proven to be helpful but can straight out damage your phone visually or in inner parts. Number 5. Not updating the software and firmware when released by the phone manufacturing companies. It is the hardware that serves as the body of your phone, and the software that serves as its brain and soul. Number 6. Downloading software from unreliable sources can make the phone malfunction, shut down, or can result in all of your personal information to be hacked and transferred to an unknown person. So download software update from setting in phone itself. Number 7. Not cleaning the inside of your phone. Try to clean your phone on the inside. Tons of dust and small pieces of garbage and dirt from your pockets and bags can make their way into your phone and interrupt the inner workings of the device. Ask a professional for help. Don't do it by your own unless you are familiar in dealing with it. Number 8. Holding your phone in your hand on the street. Most of the stolen iPhones and Android phones last year were stolen while their owner had them out on the street while talking on it via speakerphone. Use a headset to talk when you're on a crowded street. Literally speaking in mobile in outdoor can cause heating of mobile and that may damage your mobile. Number 9. Leaving it in a back pocket. This can happen to any slim smartphone. But in addition to that, keeping your phone in your back pocket elevates the possibility of it being stolen and damaged while you are simply sitting down. Number 10. The bonus tip: try to off internet, location, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It increases your mobile life and protect it from being hacked. Now, which one of these faulty actions are you most likely to do? Be sure to share the video with your friends and relatives. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.